Good morning. We are so happy you're here. We vlog every single day. So if you like this video, we hope that you'll come back tomorrow. We're sorry there was no vlog yesterday. We really just took the day easy. And something exciting just came and I cannot wait to open it. Okay, so you guys know we did not go on the cruise that we were supposed to, and so this little baby is our consolation prize. This is so much thinner than my MacBook Pro from college, the last MacBook that I had. Holy smokes, guys, this is so game-changing. I did not think that this was going to happen for quite some time. So obviously we're finding the silver lining and not being able to go on the cruise. This is going to make travel so much easier. This is going to make my work life at home so much easier. It's just a total game changer. Honestly, I'm gonna have to find the packaging to tell you what exactly we got. It is a 16-inch. That's all about, I know, 1 terabyte. I'm just so excited to get started. It's like a little intimidating, like to have such a fresh start with like a new piece of technology like this. So I'm really excited. And it's crazy, Peter and I were talking about this yesterday, like he's crazy excited. Like he has been texting me updates where it was basically by the hour as it traveled in the truck here. But truly, like, this is for me. Like, this is what I'll do my work on. This is what I'll do the vlog on. Like, Peter rarely uses, you know, he has his own work stuff. So, I mean, I'm sure he's going to use it and look at it and be aware of it, even sniffing it. But it is just so cool because I don't know, just this freelance thing wasn't ever, like, truly... It's not that it wasn't 100%, but like we took a bigger risk with me doing this, me working from home, me doing the vlog. And so it's just so cool that like 2+ years after I've been able to, like, with the hard work that I've completed for my clients, be able to buy a new MacBook Pro. So that's really great. So I don't know, it's just like a weird, exciting day. Alrighty, so please do not mind the mountain of pillows and blankets over there. Peter has still been sleeping out on the couch. He went back to work today. He's feeling better, but yesterday he was working from home, and then like it kind of struck back with vengeance, and so that's why we didn't vlog. We just decided like we just need to chill and really heal. So we've had the windows open. They aren't open now, but just like trying to get whatever sickness was in our home out. I haven't gotten sick, thank goodness. But anywho, can you believe it? We got it in space gray. I did take a picture of the specs if you're interested. I don't really know what all of this means. Let me just give a brief rundown. 16-inch MacBook Pro, Retina LED backlit display with true tone technology, 3072 by 1920 pixels, 2.3 GHz 8 core Intel Core i9 with 16 megabytes shared L3 cache, 16 gigs of 2666 MHz DDR4 memory. That was all Peter. I know we didn't get the I know we didn't get the one that we originally wanted, but we figured for me being more mindful of like my workflow and stuff that this would be fine. Honestly, that's probably the most important bits. 4 Thunderbolt ports, headphone jack, touch bar, touch ID, full size backlit, Magic Keyboard. I know they brought the escape key back, which I guess had left. This was the protective sleeve that was on it. So yeah, this is my new BFF. Oh my gosh. Opening it for the first time. It has this little protectiveness. Oh, it turned on. Holy smokes, guys. The last time I got a new MacBook Pro was the summer before I went away to college, and my dad brought it home because he worked for State Farm and they had like a deal with Apple, and so we got like a discount, and I remember bringing it home and opening it up in the front room. Let's set this puppy up.
Good afternoon. It is the weekend. I got a letter right here and a package to pick up, but it is the weekend. I'm feeling pretty good. It's Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna pick up this package and then go to Whole Foods. So let's go. Okay, we got 2 little packages and they are awesome. Check this out. So the first one is from our good friend Meredith, who we're gonna be seeing her parents in hopefully next weekend at Princess Weekend. But look at these awesome drawings. We got Cat in the Hat, Christmas Candy Cane, Dopey, bunch of other awesome ones. And then this is from our friend Hannah from the UK. We have a bracelet for Sarah that has a moonstone and some other gems and flowers as well. And then some tumblestones for myself. You guys know we love this stuff. This is all what we call the hoodoo voodoo. And right now I'm gonna toss these in my pocket and I will keep them on my person for all of my times. So cool and fancy. Thank you so much, Hannah. Thank you so much, Bailey's. You guys are the best. This is why we love sharing our story, because you guys share your story with us, even just cards and letters and emails and messages. Well, I cannot believe it has been now 3 Valentine's days that you guys are watching us on the vlog. It's been going on the third. This is all the thirds for the holidays of the year since we started our daily vlog. So if you guys have been watching the last 2 years, you know we started a newer tradition 3 years ago of going to IHOP for pancakes for dinner and then simply just going to watch fireworks somewhere. But Sarah's on bed rest, so we can't do that this year. And we're vegan now, so we can't have IHOP pancakes. So I'm at our favorite local Whole Foods to see if they have vegan pancake mix and to pick up some flowers. Oh, look at Whole Foods is stepping up their flower game right inside here. Oh, that's awesome. All right, we got some flowers, we got some soup, some chocolate chips. We're gonna get this Birch Bender's classic recipe pancake mix. Let's just add water. We got some maple syrup. We're looking like a good evening.
Oh my gosh, her Valentine is home. Look at the romance.
Sarah's been on bed rest. She still is on bed rest. I was feeling ill this week. Our apartment's a wreck. I don't even know if we have clean pots to cook the pancakes on. How are they?
Divine.
I had to zhuzh up the batter a little bit because we got that batter that was just add water. They were way too thin. The Brookharts do refuse to eat pancakes, so this thin, we must eat pancakes.
I poured somewhere in here. We're also doing little sausage wraps.
Show them how thick that pancake is.
It's real thick.
That is, we need at least an inch. This is not a pretty pan. I'm really self-conscious about it because I take myself to be a clean breakfast cooker. Sarah takes herself to be a chocolate face whenever there's chocolate involved, even at the age of 20, how old are you? 27.
Update, we couldn't eat them all.
I made way too much and I'm way too full. I had 1.5.
And I had a can of soup.
And we just
realized Matt is still on her.
We just did our IVF shot and we're really tired, but I want to play with the new MacBook and we gotta get up early. I'm supposed to go run. I don't feel like running because I'm really full. Have Run Disney Princess next weekend. That'd be fun.
She's comfy. I turned on MammaMia for when Peter got home because it's his favorite. Woo! Woo!
You know what this means? Frozen 2! Yes.
Alrighty. Message of the day. I am seeking, I am striving, I am in it with all my heart. Vincent van Gogh.
My name is Peter. Ooh, you can see our American flag in the background.
Ooh. Guys, because we did not vlog my sister's wedding, we didn't get to show my cute jammies with my monogram. It's a cute little PJ set.
Since we didn't vlog today too much, you didn't get to see me holding our new MacBook.
Ooh. Yeah. We were just talking about how, like, the vlog's gotta step up its game.
Yeah, and now we have the horsepower, because before it would take Sarah like an hour and a half, 2 hours to edit our basic vlog out of iMovie. Now we've got the horsepower that she can edit every vlog out of Premiere.
Yeah.
With all the full because she knows how to use the capabilities. She's a graphic designer artiste.
I went to 5 years of college.
You know, she knows she's got the goods.
Yeah.
And now she's got the tools.
We did say we have to give ourselves a break this week.
Yeah. We were sick. We were bed resting.
And now we're ready.
And now we're free.
We have to get up really early tomorrow. Yeah. We won't say why just yet.
You'll find out in tomorrow's vlog.
Or on Instagram.
Or on Instagram tomorrow why we're getting up early. But it's really cool.
It's really cool. But I'm going to be editing from the road.
With our MacBook Pro. So we're going to bed. It's last night. I'm still going to sleep on the couch tonight. Mm-hmm. I think we'll be fine. This is the closest Sarah and I have been since like yesterday's sign off.
Yeah.
And the day before sign off.
Yeah.
And I think we'll be fine for that to end tomorrow.
Yeah.
So.
It's good to be home.
It's great to be home.
And it's a long week.
And it's a long weekend. No work Monday.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.